If I only had 60 seconds to reach the whole world, all I would say is, there are only two people in this world you need to make proud. Your younger 18-year-old self and your older 80-year-old self. That's it. You don't owe it to your family or your spouse or your friends or anyone else. You actually owe it to yourself first, and then come those people around you. Like, what did that younger, naive version of yourself want from life? The vigor, the fire, the ambition. Like, when did all of that die? Or is it still there just waiting for the perfect time to start? Spoiler alert, there is no perfect time to start. Actually, wait, no, that's not true. Now is the perfect time to start. And now focusing on your older self, the two biggest reasons that people on their deathbeds had either working too much or not doing enough. But I think people who are really ambitious would never say they work too much. It's the ones that ended up working for someone else who have this regret because they have nothing to show for it by the end of it. As for not doing enough, that's most people. Before you know it, time's gonna pass you by and you're gonna be one of those people. Don't let that be you. Remember that everyone looks for the perfect situation to start, when in reality, starting is the perfect situation. So start.